welcome to the juiciest integration of them all. I just wanted to share this as soon as possible because, oh, the magic of this integration it is going to open up the field for you to find the true love, to find the ultimate dynamic, the ultimate union on your path. Oh, let's dive into it. So, today's integration is, by no surprise, the integration of masculine and feminine within. If you're a female or male, you might have associated yourself with only one part of you and playing that role. However, if you look at the way we are, the way we operate, the way our needs are, when you take a masculine and feminine, they seem to fit perfectly as a whole. Does that mean that one without the other is incomplete to become all? That seemed to be the story from a long time. So let's find another way back home. What if we identify the masculine and the feminine side of ourselves and we integrate them as whole? What if we become complete within this vessel, within our heart, our mind, our soul? What kind of relationship do you believe you'll attract at this level of loving the entire whole? The invitation for you is to embark on a journey of discovering the roles of your masculine and feminine, the winds, the stagnation growth. Some have distorted feminine, some have distorted masculine, some have them both. The feminine is the dreamer, the nourisher, the lover, the one that connects directly to the source that is beyond. There's the creator of it all. The masculine is the one that executes, that takes charge, that makes things happen, that matters them in this 3D world. The things. We got the heart, we got the mind. So let's bring them together as part of the same whole. As you begin on this journey of discovering how the feminine, the masculine within you is speaking to each other, who is taking charge, who is over exuding its power, who is distorted, who is wounded, that inner discovery begins within you. If you need more help, find the links below. But until you begin to develop this relationship between you, feminine and masculine, we cannot talk about integration, completion. You'll always look for another relationship to fill that void. Just to find yourself at the crossroads again. Less and less of you every time with every heartbreak. So come back to you, begin that integration. If the feminine comes with a dream, with a desire, with an idea, with a passion, does the mind come in and say, no, that is not for you? Who are you to do that? Who are you to receive that? Who are you to deserve that? That's not going to work. And then we're dealing with the distorted masculine. Well, let's dissipate that excessive power. Let's allow the masculine to do its job, which is support the feminine dreamer, the infinite power, and matter this dream into this reality. So begin listening to the conversations between the two parts within you, and you'll understand the relationships outside of you. Everything is within. The integration is within you. So as you negotiate between your masculine and your feminine, as you ask for forgiveness one side to the other side, as you eventually bring them into this loving partnership where both sides are working in unity for the greatest of your wholeness, or what you desire, what you came here to do. So when the dream, the idea, the vision comes in, your mind will support it, will believe in it, and will come home creating this beautiful thing that you're here to birth. Hmm. And that is within every area of your life. So when you have them fall in love, marry the masculine, the feminine within you, become one union, a complete you. And only from that place can you be balanced to be you and ready for all the magic that the universe has for you. So integrate the masculine and feminine. Come back home to you. Mm. And be your own creator of the life you choose. Until tomorrow.